Welcome to our channel. We make small videos about India. Come, let's get together to cherish India. Have you ever noticed the backside of a 100 rupee note? Every rupee note in India has a pic of a monument on its backside. This video is all about a monument called Rani Ki Vav, which can be seen on the backside of new 100 rupees note. Rani Ki Vav is situated in the modern day town of Patan, near the banks of Saraswati River in the western state of Gujarat. Rani Ki Vav, translated as Queen's Stepwell, is a stepwell built by Queen Udayamati to her husband King Bhima I. Queen Udayamati is the daughter of Kengara of Saurashtra. She ruled the Chalukya dynasty in the 11th century. Rani Ki Vav is actually an inverted temple. It has 7 levels of stairs, with each one of them carved with many secular, mythological and religious images. Many sculptures depict Lord Vishnu's Dasavatara, the 10 incarnation of Lord Vishnu, which is often related to the theory of evolution. As an inverted temple leading to a water source, it highlights the importance of water and its sanctity in the olden days. It is believed that the plants around it had many Ayurvedic properties at the time when it was built. So this water also had Ayurvedic properties in the olden times. This stepwell is 64 meter long, 27 meter deep and 20 meter wide. This well was eventually flooded by Saraswati River. The British in the 1890s excavated it to some extent. But it was the Baroda state which carried complete excavation and restoration activities in the 1940s. The Archaeological Survey of India completely restored it in 1986. It is now an UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was named the India's cleanest iconic place in 2016 at the Indian Sanitation Conference. It took nearly 30 years for the Archaeological Survey of India to excavate this stepwell. As heavy machinery cannot be used in excavation because it may damage the structures, the Archaeological Survey of India dug this place patiently for 30 years to ensure that there is no damage to the monument. Rani Ki Vav is a classic example of stepwell. In the 13th century, there was some geotectonic changes which led the mighty Saraswati River to change its course. A stepwell is nothing but an age-old model of preserving and utilizing the groundwater. It even has a secret tunnel in the 7th level of the stepwell that leads to the nearby town Sitpur. Many of us would have heard about Taj Mahal, which depicts a king's love for his queen. But Rani Ki Vav is a queen's love for her husband Bhima I. It serves as a symbol of love as well as a water resource. Next time, if you happen to visit Gujarat, never miss this iconic place. Thank you.